Aloha. This is my first ever video. Um, I'm not good at doing these, so please bear with me. Um, this is the VL60 Dual refrigerator from Iceco, and I got this in August 10, 2020. So it's been 4 years. I did get a warranty, but it was only for 3 years with Wayfair. And well, I didn't expect it to go down because I read a lot of you guys' reviews, and everything with everybody liked the coolers, so I kind of stick with you guys over other competitors. And this has iced up. This is the third time it iced up within the 4 years, and when it iced up, the refrigerator portion would start having ice right over here, and then this right here would have ice all over in the middle, and it had ice on the LED. It's not working. It was working, and if you see, the temperature doesn't get lower than 50 degrees. And the left side I keep as a freezer, the right side I keep as a refrigerator. And as you see, the left side I got it marked for 3 degrees, and the other one I dropped to 12 degrees. But as you can see, it stayed above 50 degrees. And I reset it 3 times, and hasn't changed, hasn't got down to lower than 50 degrees, as you can see. So I'm not sure what else to do. That's why I'm asking for help. See if you guys have any what do you call it, affiliation here to fix these, or send it back to you guys, or I don't know. So that's my situation. And I usually keep this in the van because I have I need this for my medication to keep cold, and right now I can't use it because it's, well, I probably can, I guess 56 degrees, it's cold enough. Other than that, that is it. And thank you for reaching out. Aloha.